Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So I hope you all are doing well. Warm greetings to you all. Welcome to our today's online class students. So first, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand, okay? So now we are studying about chapter 9. So chapter 9. So last class chapter 9 was completed. So today we are going to mark question answers for this chapter 9. Okay. So and also 4 prior model programs are they have given in this chapter. So after marking question answers, I will explain the model programs. Okay. So first we are going to mark question answers for this chapter. So for that first all of you take your computer textbooks. So and also take pen or pencil in your hand. Okay. So take pen or pencil in your hand. And also take your computer notebook or piece of a plain paper. Some questions you need to write in your notebook or a paper. Okay. So all of you take pen or pencil in your hand and also take your computer notebooks. So some questions you need to write in your notebook. Okay. Some questions you need to write in a notebook or take a piece of paper and write the question answer and paste to near the question page. Okay. So have you all taken? So first we can mark the question answers for one more question. So all of you take page number 130 in your textbooks. So all of you take page number 130, 130 in your textbook, okay? So have you all taken? Okay. So first question answer, first one word question answer is option B, Bijirne Strostrup. Okay, first question answer is option B. Option B, Bijirne Strostrup. Okay. Second question answer is option C, C with classes. Second question answer is option C, C with classes. Second question answer is option C, C with classes. Third question answer is option A, Rick Maxty. Third question answer is option A, Rick Maxty. Okay. Then fourth question answer is option D, tokens. Fourth question answer is option D, tokens. Okay. Then fifth question answer is option A, 2 greater than symbol. Fifth question answer is option A, 2 greater than symbol. Then sixth question answer is option B, reserved words or keywords can be used as an identifier name. Sixth question answer is option B, reserved words or keywords can be used as an identifier name. Then seventh question answer is option D. So inside the double quotes 1232. Option D. Then eighth question answer is option B, source code. Eighth question answer is option B, source code. Then ninth question answer is option A, 4. Ninth question answer is option A, 4. Then 10th question answer is option A, size of. 10th question answer is option A, size of. So once more I am dictating the answers for one more question. Please listen carefully and mark it, okay? So first question answer is option B, Bijirne Strostrup. Second question answer is option C, C with classes. Third question answer is option A, Rick Maxty. Fourth question answer is option C, flowchart. Fourth question answer is option D, tokens, okay? Not flowchart. Fourth question answer is option D, tokens. Then fifth question answer is option A, 2 greater than symbol. Then sixth question answer is option B, reserved words or keywords can be used as an identifier name. Seventh question answer is option D, inside double quotes 1232. Then eighth question answer is option B, source code. Ninth question answer is option A, 4. 10th question answer is option A, size of. Okay, have you all marked? Okay. So now we are going to mark the question answers for 2 mark as well as 3 mark and detailed question. So first you write page number for all the question answers. Okay. First you write page number for all the question answers. Okay. First 2 mark question. First question write page number 116. 116. So first question answer is in page number 116. 116. So second question also in page number 116. 116. So second question also page number 116. 116. Then third question, fourth question, fifth question and sixth question you need to write in your notes or in paper. Okay. So third, 4, 5 and 6 either you should write in your computer notebook or write in a paper. Okay. First two question page number 116. Okay. Have you all written? Then 3 more question. So first question answer is page number 116. 3 more question. First question page number 116. 116. Then second question also page number 116. 116. Then third question you should write in your notes. Third question you should write in your notes. And also fourth question, 1 point you have marked in your textbook and remaining things you need to write in your notes. Okay. So here fourth question mark page number 125. Write it. Fourth question page number 125. 1, 2, 5. Then fifth question page number 126. 1, 2, 6. Okay. First question page number 116. Second question also page number 116. Third question you need to write in your notes. Fourth question page number 125 and one more point you should write in your note. Okay. Then fifth question page number 126. 1, 2, 6. Then detailed question. First question page number 120, 121. First question page number 120, 121. Then second question page number 128. Page number 128. Okay. So these 2 5 mark questions are very important. Okay. Yes. Now we can mark the question answers for this chapter. First take page number 116. Okay. So first question take page number 116. 116. So I will take on first question answer is in page number 116. So first 2 mark question. So what do you mean by tokens? Okay. So page number 116 under the heading tokens. Have you all seen under the heading tokens? So what do you mean by token? Name the token available in C++. From here to C++ program under the heading token, starting from the C++ program. From here to till this operators. Okay. This point also you should try. Starting from C++ program under the heading token, starting from C++ program, from here to till this operators. Okay. This is the first 2 mark question. Have you all marked? Then second question, what do you mean by keywords? Okay. So keywords, same page, page number 116. Starting from here, keywords are reserved words. From here to till end. C++ and Java. Okay. Starting from here. Keywords are the reserved words. From here to till C++ and Java. Okay. This is the second 2 mark question. Then remaining all the 2 mark question you should write in your notebook or in paper. Okay. Then 3 mark question mark. First 3 mark question, describe the difference between keywords and identifiers. Okay. So for that, so from here, keywords and identifiers. Keywords you mark from this paragraph. Okay. So keywords, first paragraph, keywords are reserved words. From here to, then that paragraph full till C++ and Java. Then identifier, the same page here, starting from here. Identifiers are username from here to till this program, block of program. Understand? So keywords from here. So from here you should make the points as differentiation and write it. Okay. So question is, what's the difference between keywords and identifiers? Okay. So keywords and starting from here. Keywords are the reserved words. That paragraph full. Then for identifiers, here, identifiers, that paragraph full. Okay. Okay. Then second 2 mark question, listen carefully. Second 3 mark question, same page, page number 116. So here C++ is a case sensitive programming. This 3 lines. Okay. Second 3-mark question, same page, page number 116. So C++ is a case-sensitive programming language. This 3 lines, okay. Then this is the first point. Second point, same page. So under the heading rules for naming identifier. So this point, have you all seen C++ is a case-sensitive. It treats uppercase and lowercase characters differently. Okay, 2 points. So first you should mark the second 2-mark question. First you should mark here C++ is a C case sensitive programming language. So all the keywords must be in lowercase. This is the first point. Okay. The same page, second point, here under the heading rules for naming identifier, this one. C++ is case sensitive. It treats upper and lowercase characters differently. Okay. This is the second 3-mark question. Then third question you should write. Okay. Then fourth question, take page number 125. Okay, take page number 125. So what's the use of header file? Okay, for that take page number 125. So under the heading hash include iostream starting from here. Hash include iostream statement tells the compiler from here to till this output. Page number 125 starting from here. Hash include iostream statement tells the compiler from here to till send any output. Okay. So here one more point you should write, that you should write in near to the question or in your notebook you write. Okay. Have you all marked? Then next fifth question answer, what is the use of main of function? Take page number 126, main of function. Very very important question. Okay. From here to C++ program is a collection of function. From here to till the last, main of function. So starting from here, C++ program is a collection of from here to till last, main of function. Okay. Have you all marked? Then detailed question, write about binary operators used in C++. Take page number 120. Very very important question, binary operators. Page number 120. So page number 120 starting from here, C++ binary operators are classified as. From here to, starting from here, C++ binary operators are classified as from here to till the page number, next page, till page number 121. Till this, okay, before the other operators heading. Before other operators heading. So page number 120 binary operators are classified from here there to till before the other operators. Okay, till here. So have you all marked? Okay. Then second 5-mark question, types of errors. This is also very very important question, types of errors. Page number, take page number 128. Types of errors. Take page number 128. 128. Types of errors. Page number 128, this tabular column full. Types of errors. From here to till last, runtime error. These 3 types of error, okay. Syntax error, starting from syntax errors to till runtime error. Okay, up to that. Okay, yes. Then some questions you need to write in a notebook or in paper. That questions you write, okay. So this is the third 2-mark question. Answer is this one. This is the third question. Question no need to write. So put the question number, section B, question number 3 and write the answer. This is the answer, okay. 39 is decimal. So 0 means the number starts with 0 means octal. 0x means hexadecimal. Then point is there, so decimal, okay. Write the answer. Write it fast. Write fast. Completed. 39 means decimal, 032 means octal, 0x CA. 0x starts with 0x means hexadecimal, then 0.414 means decimal. Write fast. This is the third 2-mark question. So third 2-mark question, okay. Then fourth question answer is this one. Write carefully. This is the fourth question answer. Write carefully. So I will written right first, fourth question answer. Write it carefully. So they have given some numbers, then asked you to convert into exponent form. Okay. First you should write with 0.0, starting with 0 point into 10 the rise to. So before the point, how many numbers is there? 2. So 10 the power 2. So 10 the power 2 means you can write E2. Write first. Write fast. Fourth 2-mark question, write fast. Complete, huh? So write carefully. Point and all write carefully, and also 10 the power. Complete, huh? So listen. So here before the point, so here you need to move these two numbers this side before the point. Okay. So for that, so the way how many zeros you need to add? That means 2 points you are moving this side, front side. Okay. Then 10 the power 2. Here how many numbers you need to move forward? Only one number. 0 no need to bother. Don't bother about zeros. Here how many numbers are there before that point? 1. So 1 place. So here before the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4. Okay. So here how many number is there before 0? 1. So minus 1. Understand? 10 the power minus 4. Here 10 the power minus 1. So in the what are the things you are writing? Which number you are writing in the powers of 10? So that number you should write with E. 10 square means E2. 10 power 1 means E1. 10 the power minus 4 means E minus 4. 10 the power minus 1 means E minus 1. Understand? Okay, then fifth question, write it. So the value is n equal to 10, and they are asking the question, what's the value of n plus plus and minus n? So this you write down. Okay, first you write n plus plus, then n plus 1, 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Then down you write, don't write the same thing. Okay. Then next after completing 11 you write n minus minus means n minus 1. Not n minus 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 n. Okay, not n minus 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 n. Write first. Have you completed? Okay. Then this is a 6th 2 mark question. Match the following, write the answer. Or match it. In your textbook itself you match. No problem. So this is the answer, match it. Okay. Have you all matched? Option A is 2. Then separators means punctuators. 3. Stream extraction means get from. Option 4. D. Lexical units means stroke and so on. Marked? Okay. Then this is the 3 more question. 3 more question. Third 3 more question. Okay. Question number 3. 3 more question. Third one. Differentiate equal to and double equal to. Write fast. So differentiate equal to and double equal to. So I will written differentiate equal to and double equal to. Okay. So 2 point, right? First equal to is an assignment operator. So double equal to is an equal to operator and is a relation operator. Second point, it is used to assign value of variable expression. Third one is it is used for comparison of both left and right side operands. Write first. Write first, have you all completed? 2 points equal to is an assignment operator. Write first. Second is the double equal to is an equal to operator. It's a relational operator. Next point, it is used to assign value of variable or expression. Next one, it is used for comparison of both left and right operands. Okay. Completed? Okay. Then fourth question. So already you have marked, isn't it? Fourth question you have marked in a textbook also. So before that you should write this 3 lines and next you should write what I have marked in the textbook. Understand? So first you should write this 4 lines. Then you should write the remaining points you have marked in the textbook. What's the use of header file? Write first. Fourth question, what's the use of header file? Write fast. Have you all written? Write fast. So header file contain definitions of functions and variables which is imported or used into any C++ program by using the preprocessor hash include statement. Then header files have an extension .h which contains C++ function declaration and macro definition, and example is hash include. Then you should write, I have marked now in page number 125 hash include IOStream. That after that this one first you should write and after that you should continue that one. Okay. Completed? Completed? Yes, those are completed. So take a textbook. So, okay, those are completed. Take your textbook, page number 129. So, I will see hands-on practice programs, okay. So, I'll explain, listen carefully. So, first program is, you are going to find total mark for 3 subjects, okay. So, what's the first program? You are going to calculate total marks for how many subjects? 3 subjects, okay. So, how many marks you have required? 3 subject marks. First, you listen carefully and rethink it and write the program. What's the question? So, you are going to find the total marks for 3 subjects. Okay. So, 3 marks are there. So, how many variables you need to define? So, 3 marks you need to define, isn't it? So, how many variables you need to define? 3 variables. Okay. Then, so total marks means what's the function you will do? You will add the 3 subject marks. So, you are going to add the 3 subject marks and you are going to store the result in one variable. Understand? So, 3 subject marks you need. So, how many variables you need? 3 variables you need. And also, you are adding 3 subject marks and also store in the another one variable. So, how many variables you need? 4 variables. Understand? So, you are going to write a C++ program. Understand? So, what's the format for writing C++ program? First, you should mention header file. Okay, first you should mention header file. What's the header file? Hash include IOStream. Isn't it? So, what's the header file? Hash include IOStream. Then, what's the second thing? Using namespace std. What's the use of IOStream? All the input and output operations will come under IOStream. So what are the input and output operations? C in and C out. That will come under which one? IOStream. What's the second line? Using namespace std. So what's the use of namespace std? What are the variables? What are the objects you are declaring inside the program? All the things will come under namespace std. Okay. So using namespace std semicolon. Then what's the third line? So you should write main of function. So all the things you are writing, you are going to write inside the main of function. So what's the format? Int main of. What's the next thing? Open brace and close brace. Listen carefully. Next you are going to enter the marks for 3 subjects. So how many variables you need? 3 variables, isn't it? And also you are going to store the 3 marks, adding 3 marks and stored in another one variable. So totally 4 variables you need. So mark is of data type which one? Number. Okay. So number means which data type you need to mention means integer. Understand? So number means which data type you need to mention? Integer. What's the short form for integer means int. Understand? So what's mean by data type? So particular thing is belong to which data, that means number or character or string or point numbers. Okay. So number means you are mentioned in data type int. Point numbers means mentioned in float. Okay. So this is a numbers. So numbers you should mention in which data type? Int. Understand? So how many marks you are going to enter? 3. What are they? M1, M2 and M3. Understand why? So 3 subject marks you are going to enter, no? So 3 variables. M1 for first thing, M2 mark second mark, M3 for third one. Understand? Next, you are going to store the result in the next variable. So you are going to add this 3 marks and storing the result in which variable? Sum. Understand why you are mentioning 4 variables? 3 variables for entering marks, third variable is for storing the value for sum. Understand? So listen. Next, so output screen. So first you are going to enter the first mark. So output screen, some statements need to come in. You should give in which statement under C out. C out is for output screen, isn't it? So C out. What's the format for writing C out? C out to less than symbol. Then everything is declared inside double quotes. In C out, all the things you should mention inside double quotes, isn't it? So here enter mark 1. Okay. Then each statement is end with semicolon. So C out you have given. So output you are giving means the output will contain proper input, isn't it? So what's the input for mark 1? M1. So C in M1. Understand? Input symbol is to greater than symbol. Output symbol is to less than symbol. Okay. Same way you are written for. So you are going to write for another 2 subjects. C out enter mark 2. Then in what's the input for mark 2? M2. Then C out enter mark 3. What's the input for mark 3? M3. So now you have entered 3 marks. What's the next step? You are going to add the 3 marks and storing the result in which variable? Sum. So what's the formula? Sum equal to. So now the marks are in where? M1, M2 and M3. Understand? So M1 plus M2 plus M3. So each statement will end with semicolon. That is very, very important. Understand? Now listen carefully. So now you have add 3 subject marks and you have stored the result in which variable? Sum. Now the result is stored in some variable. So which variable you need to display the output? Question is you need to find the total marks for 3 subjects. So this variable, the result is given in some variable. So you are going to display the output in which variable? Sum. Understand? So inside the C out, output means which statement you need to write? C out. Understand? C out, the sum \n means automatically it will come to the next line. So the sum equal to. Now the answer is given in which variable? Sum. Then semicolon. Understand? Understand the program? This is the basic, very, very simple program for entering 3 marks, subject for 3 marks for 3 subjects and you are finding total. Understand? Yes. So here they are giving make changes in the above code to get the average of all the given marks. Okay. So here what's the question they asked? To find average of all the marks. What's the meaning of average? Average means 3 marks divided by 3. That's all. Okay. So one more line you should add. This is a homework for you. Listen carefully. So they have given one code, but in the question they asked, this is a sample code. Make changes in the above code to average of all the given marks. Here only they are finding total. Average means what's the formula you should write? AVG. So one more variable you should declare, isn't it, AVG? So here you should declare one more variable, same program, sum comma AVG. AVG for what? Average. So next line, after the sum you should write AVG equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 divided by 3. Understand? Understand what I am telling? So here already you have find out sum, isn't it? But here they are telling to find average also. So next line, here after the sum you should find AVG equal to M1 plus M2 divided by 3 or sum divided by 3. That also correct. Then see out one more line you to display the average. So the average equal to, so which variable you are finding average? AVG. Understand? Understand what I am telling? See here average you are going to find. What are the variables you are going to insert here? All the variables you need to mention at the first. So for average you are giving the variable AVG. So here one more line you should add AVG equal to M1 plus M2 divided by 3. So here one more line. See out the AVG equal to, you are giving the variable in AVG. Understand? Yes. This is the next program. Program to find area of a circle. You are going to find the area of a circle. Okay, what's the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Understand? So what's the first step? You should write the header file. Then using namespace std. Then main of function. Then opening brace, close brace. This is all common for all the program. So here listen carefully. What's the formula? Pi r square. So r means which one? Radius. So radius one variable you should mention there. Then area. So how many variables you need to mention? 2 variables. What are they? Radius as well as area. What are the variables you are using as a input, or what are the variables you are using for the formula calculation? Everything you need to declare at the upside. So how many variables you need? 2 variables. What are they? Radius as well as area. Listen carefully. Radius. Radius means you will give any one number, or radius equal to 5 cm, or radius equal to 6 cm, or 8 cm. That's a number. So radius is of data type which one? Number means integer, int. Isn't it? So int radius, then semicolon. Listen carefully. Then area. Area, what's the formula? Pi r square. So what's the value of pi? 3.14. So it's a point number, isn't it? So point number means you should give the data type as float. Okay, number means no problem. You can give the data type as int. Okay, int. Then point numbers means you should give the data type as float. Why you are giving the data type as float for area? So listen, area formula is pi r square, 3.14 into, for example, you are entering the radius 5. 3.14 into 5 into 5. So you will get the answer in point. So only you are mentioning the data type as float. If you are mentioning data type as int means you will get error. Why? So here point number is there, but you are mentioning int means you will get error. Understand why you are mentioning as a float? Yes. Next, you are in output screen, you are enter the radius. So enter the radius, then semicolon. Okay. So enter the radius. For that you should give input. Input which variable you need to give? Radius. So here only you are going to enter the radius. Okay. Then formula for writing, calculating area. What's the formula? 3 pi r square. Sorry, pi r square. What's the value of pi? 3.14 into r square. Radius into radius. R square means 2 times. Okay. Now you have calculated and the area is stored in the variable area. Understand? So see out. So what you will get? The area of a circle. The area of a circle. Then the answer is storing in which point? Which variable? Area. So you are displaying the variable area. Understand? Understand this program for calculating area? Yes. So two hand practice program they are giving. Okay. These 2 programs you should write in your notebook. Okay. This program as well as the output you should write that after the school reopens I will explain with the output. Okay. Okay. Then third one is point out the errors in the following program. Okay. This is very important. Like this questions they will ask. So immediately if you see the program means you can find out the error. What's the error? Whether header file is there? No. Without header file whether the program will run? No. That's the first error. Understand? Header, there is no header file. So likewise the annual exam also they will give the program and ask you to point out the errors. So you should find the errors and each error will get half mark or 1 mark. Understand? So you should write what's the error and the line number you should write. So first line 1, there is no header file. Okay. Using namespace std, correct. Okay. So what's the next? And also listen carefully. Using namespace std, whether capital letter or small letter. small letter, but they are given in capital letter. That's the second error. First error is there is no header file. Second error is capital letter. Then main of function C out, enter value of that and all correct. Listen carefully. C in num1 and num2. But how many variables you are using, but you should declare the variable at the upside. Whether here any variable is declared there? No. Integer num1, num2, whether they have declared? No. So here also one error is. 3 errors you have find out. What are they? Hash include diastream is not there. Here capital letter they have given. Variable declaration. So that also, that means int num1, num2 sum that they have given, but they are not giving. That's the third error. Then fourth error, C in, what's the symbol for C in? 2 less than symbol, but what they have given? So one less than symbol, and what this symbol is wrong. So this is the fourth error. Okay. But and next one, here they are giving num1 and num2, but here they add num. Whether one is there? Whether one is there? No. This also. So 5 errors you have find out. Likewise, they are given some programs and asked you to find the error. Understand? Likewise, here also next to program C. Here header file is there. Using namespace std. That is correct. Main of function is correct. So listen. Int height equal to 10, w equal to 12. So in between whether comma will be comma is there or semicolon is there here? Semicolon. But which will be there? Which should be there here? Between two variables, comma. But they are mentioned semicolon between the two variables, but only comma is allowed. That's the error here. Understand? So for can practice program, one homework also I gave. That first program you should write the program and also find average for 3 subject marks. Okay. So please this chapter binary operators question and types of error questions very important. Okay. So up to this your exam portion is chapter 1 to this till page number 131. This chapter 9. Okay, so study thorough. What are the portions I got taught today? You should study thorough and also do the homework. Okay, thank you students.